Hi guys, welcome back to Dust Not Included. My name's Roy, and today we have a mystery boxing. In case you're new, my aunt likes to stop by every once in a while with a mystery box of items she picked up for me to resell. Alright guys, I got 2 boxes here. Let's jump in and see what we find. Well, the first item is this beautiful trophy vase. It is Indiana glass. I love this blue color. What a beautiful piece. These are some adorable molds. There are 4 of them, and they are fish. How fun. I just got back from dropping off packages, and it looks like the rain got me, and I didn't notice. This is a beautiful butterfly pin. Look at the colors on that. Here is another pin. The horses are fantastic. I believe them to be transferred on, but that's just a lovely pin. Check out this brass key holder. It's great for not only keys, but like hanging your vintage pot holders or other linens. I love the beautiful scroll work and flowers. It's beautiful, and you can decorate with your other collections. Look at this little bronze colored mermaid. She is the little mermaid from the Danish artwork. She is just awesome. Well, this is interesting. It's Boyd, and it's a glass shoe. That is a very interesting piece to add to your little glass collection. These vases are beautiful. They're little vases. This one here is unmarked, but has some beautiful colors. And this one's just gorgeous. It is marked Delft, Holland. Check out this art glass. It is a candle holder. There appears to be one little boo-boo right there, but you can't feel it from the inside or outside, so it's within the glass, but it is beautiful. Hey guys, at the end of the video, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. He is so fun. Check out this tin toy. It is a duck, and he winds up. He is so cool. He is made in China, but this piece is so fun. Well, this box is done, but don't worry, I got another one to go. Check out this sailboat sun catcher. I love the blue, red, and white. This is real glass. I just think it's fantastic. Look at this glass frog. It is a satin glass frog, and I bet he glows. Check out this glass deer. I can see it is marked Fenton on the back. He is beautiful. Perfect for your glass animal collection, or maybe you collect Fenton animals. Just love it. Well, this piece is special. Check out Betsy Ross. She is a creamer and she is made by Lefton. I love her, and the 4th of July is coming up and she is perfect for that. Or if you just collect Lefton, this is a really great piece. I haven't seen her. She's fantastic. Well, this is great too. It's an Indiana glass hen-on nest, and look, the red cold paint is still on there. I love this. Looks like I only have about 2 items left, guys. Look at this abalone shell trivet. It is by Design Gifts, and that is gorgeous. You could display your perfume bottles on here, utilize it as a trivet, all sorts of fun things. But look at those abalone shells in that black lucite. It's just fantastic. I love the way these shimmer. All right, last item here. She is so 1970s. Look at her. She is a ceramic bank and she has her book and her guitar there. She is made in Japan. It looks like she has a little chip on the top here from where you would put your coins in. And a little booba right there on her hat. But other than that, she is fantastic. I think she is still amazing and would be great in any display. That's it, guys. Well, if you saw anything you like, you can always email me at dustnotincluded@gmail.com. Otherwise, these items will be coming up in upcoming live sales. I have a live sale every Thursday at 6:30 with Janine's. We rotate channels. I believe this week we're on Jen's channel. Till next time, guys, have a great day.